Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to apply face cream properly. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So basically what I have here is some face cream. I have some face cream over here, and it is face cream with argan oil. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly, but at the end of the day, it is face cream. Okay, so I'm going to take this face cream and I'm going to apply it properly, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. It is by this brand over here. I'm not sure how I say the name. I think it's called Laline. Okay, and basically, to be honest with you, Laline, yeah, I think that's what it's called. Let me check one more time. Yeah, Laline. Yeah, that's what I see. Laline. Anyways, that is the brand that I see over here, Laline. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It might be Laline, Leyline. I'm not sure. But anyways, I tried my hardest to say the brand name properly, so I do apologize. But this I actually got as a free sample, I believe, a long time ago, a few years ago, when I got my wife like a gift from the store. They gave me like a couple of these, I think, as like a little sample, I think. I don't know. It's been sitting in the house. I said I'm going to use it for a video tutorial. It's been sitting in the house for a long time, so my memory might be off, but to the best of my memory, it was a free sample when I bought a gift for my wife. So I'm going to show you how to apply this. So first and foremost, these are like my instructions. This is like what I would do to apply face cream. Okay, it has nothing to do with their instructions as a company, as a brand. It has nothing to do with instructions that I found online. This is just like the odd time that I apply face cream. This is what I do and would do. Okay, so it's just sort of my perspective. So it's really, really easy to do. Okay, essentially, first and foremost, you want to clean your face. Get your face, just use some soap, some water, and rinse your face and make sure it's nice and clean. My face is nice and clean, and not only is it clean, but I actually clean shaved last night. So like even hair-wise, I'm just clean shaven. My pores are like decently open, I would think, because I had a nice, clean, warm shave last night. So yeah, this is basically the state that I'm starting in, a clean face. Even if you have facial hair, though, it's totally fine. You can still put face cream on, but just I wanted to do a nice clean shave for a presentation that I was doing separately, and I figured it's a perfect time to show you how to apply the face cream now that my face is super clean. So essentially, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to get the face cream out of here, okay? So you just need a little bit. Let's just give me a second to try and see where it's coming out from. Here it is, okay. So it's coming out from here. I'm going to put some of this on my hand. You don't need a lot, okay? So I'm going to put some of this on my hand over here. Okay, we're starting off with that amount. Okay, I'm going to just place this down here. We're starting off with that amount, and this is probably all that I'm going to use. You don't need a ton, okay? Think about it this way. You can always add more on after. But start with a clean face, okay? Once you have a clean face, get a little bit of face cream, okay? And then you want to take that face cream and you want to apply it. Start off in one area and just see how far it takes you. So I'm taking the cream right now. I'm starting on my cheeks, okay? And it's a very thin cream. This is great, actually. So I'm starting on the cheeks. And I can spread it down here. Absolutely. Over here for sure. I still feel the cream moving. I can spread it on my forehead. Just like that. And then even down to my cheekbones. So that's actually all the cream that I needed. I don't need any more. Even on my nose, it's still spreading. So once you have the cream spread out, you're then going to take your hands and you're going to work it in. You're going to work it in a bit more. Okay? You're going to work it in just like that. All of the areas. And you're just going to feel that skin elasticize. It's going to be nice and soft and more elastic and moisturized. And you're going to get all of the benefits from using face cream. Now, you can decide to use face cream or not. I personally don't use it all that often. But I know lots of people that do use it often. And they say it's really, really good. This is, when I do apply face cream, this is how I do it. Now, when do you stop rubbing it in? Well, essentially, when it starts to get harder, like before it was kind of my hands were gliding, now I start to feel a little, not friction, but it's just harder to rub my hands along my face. At this point, I know the cream is all rubbed in because it's hard to rub my hands along my face. So when it's hard to rub your hands along your face, or I should say whether you're using your hand or your fingers, when it's hard to rub that portion of your hand, the palm or the fingers, whatever you're using, when it's hard to rub that portion of your hands along your face, that's when the cream is all rubbed in. So right now, literally, my hands are very, very, they're not you know, they don't feel like slimy or slippery. They're very, very hard to rub against each other, and all over my face was hard to rub my hands along them, along those areas of my face. So I can say that the cream has been worked into my skin enough. Now that's the idea. Now you saw, I literally used the tiniest bit of cream, and that covered my whole face. You don't need a lot, okay? You don't need a lot, because like you can use as much as you want to. That's up to you. You want to use more than that, go for it. You want to use less than that, go ahead. But like you saw that I used that little bit, and that for me, from my perspective, was more than enough. So this is just basically my perspective of how I apply face cream properly, okay? You can take it or leave it. You can incorporate some of your own things as well, but this is how I recommend applying face cream properly. And you can see like my skin is just like nice and silky smooth. It's great. Honestly, I feel like I don't usually use face cream that often, but I'm going to take that face cream and I'm going to probably use the rest of that package over the next couple of days. I'm probably, I guess, just, you know, to make sure, I'm probably going to put it in like a separate container so I can seal that container nicely. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the face cream over there. I'm going to take the rest of it. I'm going to put it in a separate container so I can seal that container nicely so that the face cream will stay nice and fresh, right? And I'm going to apply the rest of it over the next couple of days. Just one application a day, just because I love the smell, I love the feel. If I feel great. So yeah, that's how I apply face cream properly, and that's what I'm gonna do to use the rest of this face cream over the next couple days. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.